I'm gonna be really mad if this video sounds super quiet and then I would have to do a voiceover because I'm lazy. So,
Hey guys, it's Camille and I'm refilming my intro right now because I filmed it in the beginning when I didn't do my makeup, like when I just started my makeup, and I sounded really quiet, so I just wanted to redo it and hopefully you can hear me throughout the whole video. I don't know because I have to go to school right now, but if I have to do a voiceover, you'll find out, so go ahead and keep on watching. So I'm going to be using Origin's Genizing Ultra Hydrating Energy Boosting Cream, and I know it's a long name, but this smells so good. It smells like oranges and it feels so good on the skin. It's just moisturizing throughout the whole day and it doesn't make me flake. And if I'm looking up, then it's because I am looking at my mirror. And so I already put on lip balm, which was Lush's Lip Service, and now I'm going in with the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-hour waterproof concealer, and honestly this is so good. It doesn't break up, and I'm putting that under my eyes, on my eyelids, and anywhere that I have redness around my face. And I'm using the shade Light Medium, and I'm just patting this with my finger. And now I'm setting my face with Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder, and it's not too drying, which I love that. And now I'm brushing my eyebrows with just a clean spoolie, and I take so much time in curling my eyelashes because my eyelashes tend to go down. So I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara, and I'm pretty generous with my mascara. It's because it's basically the main focal point about this whole look. And now I'm using the normal Better Than Sex mascara, and I usually put a generous coat on the ends of my eyelashes so it can make my eyelashes look a lot longer and a lot darker. I don't put it on my whole eyelash from root to tip because it tends to make my eyelashes become uncurled from all of that effort that I just did. And that makes me done with my eyelashes. You can kind of see right now how it looks. I'm just gonna go ahead and show you and try to zoom in, see how that looks. Okay, so you can kind of see it now. Like, I look really weird because the lighting's weird, but with the lighting being weird, you can see my eyelashes more. So you can see that they're a lot longer, and they're not clumpy. It's just like this mascara makes my eyelashes a lot more longer and darker. I'm basically done with my makeup for school today, and now I'm gonna go ahead and eat, and yeah, that's all I have for today. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I'm gonna be filming again soon, but like probably in a month again because I only film in a month. But I'm gonna be really mad if this video sounds super quiet and then I would have to do a voiceover because I'm lazy. So yeah, make sure you go ahead and leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.